The most money, most the most pleasing five-lettered word. Money, most pleasing income tax भरना पड़ता है ना, तब पता लगता है most pleasing है क्या. हाँ जी. Smile. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The most pleasing five-lettered word. Smile. They say smile. It increases your face value. How many of you smile? Because you're smiling. I'll tell you a nice one. Sorry. One guy, Maharashtrian student, he was in count numbers. He wrote numbers on after writing the numbers. He said, "Pado." तो बोलता है, this guy says, "शेवंती, तू येती, येती नाही, नाही तर नाही." So the teacher said, "What did he say?" उसने लिखा था 70, 280, 89, 99. 70, 280, 89, 99. There was a Maharashtrian student studying in a vernacular school. So the teacher was teaching numbers and he wrote on the board numbers and he said, "Read." He said, "Shevanti, yeti tu, yeti nai, nai ta nai." There was a teacher in a Marathi medium school and he was teaching numbers. The student was reading the numbers. He said, "Shevanti, 82, 89, 99. There was a student in school, Maharashtrian teacher, and the teacher wrote numbers on the thing, and the teacher was saying, "Read." So he said, "Shevanti, 82, 89, 99. I'm telling you the same joke again, isn't it? Do you laugh on the same joke again? No. After a while, if I tell you, you'll say, "Kuch to gadbad hai inka." What is he saying? The same thing. He's gone in the repeat mode in a loop. What is he saying? We don't laugh on the same joke again. Why do we cry on the same problem again? Huh? उसी जोक पे हम बार बार हंसते नहीं, उसी प्रॉब्लम पे रोते रहते हैं, नहीं? We keep crying on that same issue and that same problem again and again and again. Problems will come, issues will come, difficulties will come, whoever you are, doesn't matter. चिता है ना, चिता एक बार जलाती है, लेकिन चिंता है ना, पल पल जलाती है. Kills our life, kills our present. We cannot experience fulfillment, ladies and gentlemen. God has a plan, an amazing plan, with all the challenges, with all the difficulties, with all the troubles that He sends our way. He has an incredible plan. None of us know what. None of us can see how. None of us can understand why. And therefore, at that point of time, all we do is cry. We can't understand why. If only we understood what the plan is, even while going through that crisis, we would probably smile. इसलिए हंसाता हूं मैं आपको. पहले ही रो रहे हैं जिंदगी में. Have a smile on the face. His Holiness Radhanath Swami, he says, "Do not take this material world so seriously, because it's always changing. Something that you take so seriously today is going to change tomorrow. उसको लेकर बैठो मत, हंसो, smile." And therefore the most pleasing five-letter word, smile. Keep it. Times you must have heard it, that money cannot buy happiness. How many of you heard it? Right? है ना? पैसा आपको खुशी नहीं ला सकता. करेक्ट? कितना भी ले लो, नहीं आएगा खुशी. ऐसा आएगा ना, उड़ उड़ के आएगा तब भी नहीं आएगा खुशी, नहीं आएगा खुशी. Correct? How many of you believe that money actually cannot buy happiness? It can buy you things, but it can't buy happiness. You all believe? Great. How many of you believe but still want more money? Look at that. All of you guys raised and said, ये हाथ से उठाया, money can't buy happiness, but I want more. Isn't that true? With your left hand you say, money can't buy happiness. With your right hand say,